In this video, a man is relentlessly trying to kick down this door where a mother and daughter are hiding inside. A neighbor noticed and called the police. I'm not sure what happened after this, but hopefully the mother and daughter are safe. Doorbell footage captures a shirtless man knocking on this door at 5 a.m. Why was he shirtless? What were his intentions? There was another shirtless man knocking on a home at 5 a.m. What is this about? And why is he shirtless? This doorbell footage captures this woman in front of a Las Vegas home stealing everything on the porch. A welcome sign. Seriously? Down bad. This woman can be seen peering into a home that isn't hers. Is she looking for a way in? Perhaps. She went around and there was a guest she didn't account for. Maybe now she won't be creeping around people's homes. This video captures a man in a mask checking to see if this apartment door is unlocked. This is why you keep your doors locked, everyone. Remember the CIA agent?
I'm a CIA agent, and there's an FBI house that there's a house filled with FBI agents. I thought it was this house, but I guess I'm mistaken. There's a house filled with FBI agents, and they're actively infringing on American rights, and they're betraying their badge, and they've been caught betraying their badge. So they're stuck in a house, and I thought this was the house they're stuck in.
Here he is, back at it again. This situation is different, as he has to tell this ridiculous story to the son instead of the mother.
How can I help you?
Hi, is this the house housing the FBI agents harassing me?
No, there's no FBI agents here, brother. You got to stop coming here about that.
All right.
There's no FBI agents here, and if you come back again, I'm going to...
I am the police.
Wasted no time there. Take your FBI nonsense elsewhere, weirdo. It's 10:40 p.m. in California, and this man wrapped in a blanket approaches this home. He just stands there and eventually tries to open the door before the owner tells him to go away.
Hey, yo, go away. What you doing? Get out of here.
What is up with these people trying to get in homes that aren't theirs? This FedEx driver had just delivered a package before inadvertently hitting this parked car. The man checked the car out to make sure he didn't do any critical damage. One of the neighbors came out and asked the man if he knew whose car it was. He left a note with his info, and that shows a lot of character in my opinion. A couple was enjoying a staycation before getting an alert someone was on their porch. Turns out it was this cute dog stealing their package. It's bad enough that we have human porch pirates, but dog porch pirates too? Ugh, you gotta be kidding me. I wonder if the neighbors put him up to this. These porch pirates approach this Brooklyn home with bags at hand, ready to steal whatever goods they can get their hands on. However, they would soon realize they came to the wrong house.
Them.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Bring it back. Now. Now. All the way up on my porch. Excuse me. On my porch. Now. Don't you dare ever steal stuff from anybody's porch again.
That'll teach them. This footage shows two men, one armed, in the process of stealing a catalytic converter. They're very valuable at $2,000 a pop, so these dirtbags could make a good profit. The Toyota Prius in particular is popular with thieves like this. This process takes less than a minute. Quick and easy job for these lowlives. This man has an interesting technique for stealing packages, with a pool net. I am very curious as to why a pool net. Does he clean the pools of the people he steals from or something? I really want to know. Not much to say here, just a guy stealing a chair. How broke are you, dude? This ring footage shows an armed man run past this camera being chased by the police. I'm not sure what he did as I don't know the story behind it. What I do know is, stay on high alert, everybody. The world is a crazy place. Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. This footage captures a man with a grinder cutting the door open and banging on the door. What he didn't expect was the homeowner to ask him what the hell he was doing with his Ring camera. Yeah, he was shook.
Yo, dude. What the hell are you doing?
Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.